Hey everyone, it's Raja. Welcome back to channel. I have been away for a while because I was super busy working on clients projects and learning tons of new stuff. And now I am finally back with some exciting content for you. And likewise, over the past few months, I have worked with amazing clients on different platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and especially Go High Level. And honestly, that platform changed how I build websites, funnels, and automations. You could see this my YouTube channel over here, Raja Sain, and I have uploaded 52 videos regarding how to build websites and on especially on WordPress and on Shopify. And now I have realized how powerful Go High Level is for agencies and freelancers. And it is just not a funnel builder, it's all in one business tool. So if you want to learn more about that one, you can go over here, search Go High Level. Otherwise, I'm going to give you the link below in my description. So if you're going to go through that one, or if you plan to purchase the free trial, you can go with my link. So you're going to get a 30 days free trial. And I have learned so many things about the automations and how this system actually works. And it is very profitable, and I'm going to share everything what I have learned so far in past few years about Go High Level. And yeah, I'm super excited, by the way. So this was just a quick video I decided to record for you guys. So yeah, I am super excited, by the way. And from now on, you will see the tutorials and live setups and practical walkthrough how I build full websites and funnels in Go High Level, connect the automations, and even we can compare with WordPress and Shopify. And I will share behind the scenes tips from real projects. And right now, if I'm going to go over here, click on the launch, I can show you how actually Go High Level dashboard looks like over here. On the left side, you can see that we have the launched dashboard, conversation, and calendars, and contacts, opportunities, and payments. AI agents is especially right now booming everywhere, and recently we have done a project how AI is going to handle inbound, outbound calls and WhatsApp messages as well. So it can book the meetings, and yeah, it is super likewise intelligent like the chat GPT. And you're going to get everything inside one platform, that is the Go High Level. So you don't need to going to have the separate tools, separate subscription you need to purchase for to do the automations, or are having the AI agent, right? Or for the calendars you need to purchase something else, Calendly or something another tool. But in the Go High Level, you're going to get everything in one place. So this is the one all-in-one solution, by the way. And yeah, so by the way, I'm going to show you everything. I'm super excited. So if you are a freelancer, agency owner, or just want to learn how to build websites the smart way, make sure to subscribe this my YouTube channel, and hit on the bell icon you're going to see. So whenever I'm going to upload a new tutorials on Go High Level, you're going to get the notification. And so let's grow together and make sure your digital business unstoppable likewise, right? So yeah, if you want to hire me for the projects, and if you want to learn more about me, you can always write my name over here, like Raja Sain, right? And if you're going to click on hit over here, You always going to find me my website, my YouTube channel, my favorite portfolio. Even you can also watch my LinkedIn profile if you're going to click on over here. My name is Aftab, but I am well known with name Raja Sain, and the founder of the Raja Sain digital company as well. So yeah, that's it about me right now, and yeah, I'm super excited to upload the videos from onwards about the go high level and automation. And so see you soon. Bye bye for now.